Welcome to my tech channel, where we dive deep into the world of open source tools on Linux, exploring the endless possibilities and empowering you to unleash the full potential of your digital endeavors. The best practice to deploy any open source tool for me is to directly deploy it over a VMware ESXi running over bare metal, and today we are using a VMware Workstation Pro just in case you don't have bare metal. Introducing you in this video, we delve into the powerful world of Zabbix, a robust open-source monitoring software designed to keep your IT infrastructure in check. From network devices to servers and applications, join me as we explore how Zabbix empowers organizations with real-time insights, proactive monitoring, and unparalleled control over their systems. Whether you're a seasoned sysadmin or just getting started in the world of IT, Zabbix has something to offer for everyone. Let's dive in. Prerequisites for Zabbix Appliance. Number 1 we need is a VMware Workstation Pro. Link is mentioned below in the description. Then we need to get the Zabbix Appliance from its official platform as per our required hosting procedure. Link is mentioned in the description. As you can see, we have entered in Zabbix site. We have product features, integrations, and documentation at first. Then we have solutions where we get some case studies and enterprise-wide deployment as managed server providers. With a quote button, after that we have support and services for technical support by getting engaged with Zabbix experts. Going toward training, here we have training overview for Zabbix, core courses to following a training path for becoming a certified Zabbix expert, extra courses to master monitoring topics, and then exam for getting your credentials. Going forward, there are partner programs where you can see a map of Zabbix partners, distributors, and partner programs for becoming partners with Zabbix. We have a community next for all the latest updates and newsletters. Without any further ado, we are jumping to the downloading process. Going to the main page, we have a download button here. Going on downloads, we get all variations of Zabbix for different platforms. We are going to get into the Zabbix Appliance. We need to download Zabbix Appliance for VMware with .vmx extension. Extract downloaded folder. Getting into our VMware, which we have default configuration of 500 GB storage, 4 PCUs, and 8 gigs of RAM. Well, VM configuration can be set up to requirement and support scalability. We'll click on Open a Virtual Machine and navigate to Extracted folder. Select Zabbix Appliance file with .vmx extension and open it. Let's start our virtual machine now and wait for our login screen. Okay, the default password for root user is Zabbix. We'll enter default credentials and proceed further. After logging in with root user, we also get Zabbix front-end credentials. At very first, we'll check its IP address by typing IP addr to see if virtual machine network adapter is bridged to the host network, so we can access Zabbix GUI on web browser via IP address. We will put our front-end credentials here. Username is admin and password is Zabbix. And finally, we're on Zabbix dashboard. Further devices and inventory configuration videos will be in next part of this Zabbix playlist. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. We're always bringing you the latest and greatest in open source tools, from in-depth reviews to how-to guides and everything in between. If there's something you'd like to see on the channel, drop a comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.